Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Exver. Now, this token is about to be listed tomorrow on a central exchange. Ticker symbol is SPET. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Spet, S-P-E-T is the ticker symbol. This token is about to be listed tomorrow for trading at 7 a.m. UTC time, September 27th on Hotbit. So if you're looking to get this token, you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT after you open an account, of course. Go into the trade section and search Spet, which is, of course, S-P-E-T. And then you just buy the token. It's that easy. So it says Exver is the name of the token. Exver introduces an innovative, dynamic rewarding mechanism for NFTs that redefines the way investors interact with NFTs while utilizing farming, staking, and play-to-earn principles. Exver has improved multiple traditional earning methods via gamification, allowing investors to earn through these methods in a frictionless way by presenting them in a simple and understandable form. As a result, earning from NFTs becomes a fun and seamless user experience without the need for having any technical details. So it's a BEP20 token, total supply 3 billion tokens. Now their BSC scan is listed on the Hotbit announcement. I'm going to click on that. Says, looks like I don't see any pancake swap purchases at all. And there's only 26 addresses, 25 transfers on their BSC scan, and there were like 27 days ago. 18 decimal places on this token. Yeah, nothing really interesting at all on their BSC scan. So if we go back to their announcement, it does have a web page listed on here. Their web page is space-exver.com. That's where you can find the information. They have information about the token, gameplay, roadmap. So let's go to the token information here. Looks like, I don't know if they have a white paper. Okay, so actually let's go right here. It says Exver introduces a dynamic rewarding mechanism. Exver, okay, it's kind of repeating the same thing. Exver has improved multiple traditional earning methods via gamification. Can earn in a frictionless way. That's the same thing. Okay, that's the same thing earlier. They do have a Telegram channel listed on here. You can find their Telegram at space_EX_official. Aha, I found a white paper. That's what I need. 28-page white paper. That might be too much of a white paper. Exver is a token that introduces reward mechanisms for NFTs. Okay. It also introduces a new concept, dynamic NFT rarity. Rarity of Exver NFTs is not only based on a limited supply of minted NFTs, it's their characteristics or which tier they're allocated to. It approaches that are common in most other projects. With Exver, rarity can be altered based on adoption of play-to-earn principles. For the first time, investors will be able to directly influence their NFT's rarity and value instead of simply holding and waiting for their NFTs to possibly appreciate in price and then liquidate them. Exver will create a new and extra incentive for holding and using NFTs, allowing both short and long-term investors to benefit. Exver, the premier rewards-based non-art NFT ecosystem. So it goes through the problem with NFTs. We'll just skip right to the solution here, and it'll tell us what they're doing. So it says, until now, the NFT crypto market has been mainly focused on artwork, memorabilia, and gaming. Investors buy NFTs, which they expect to increase in value, capitalizing on profit. In most cases, generally occurs when investors sell their NFTs. Exver creates a mechanism whereby investors can obtain an ongoing yield and dividends from NFTs without having to sell their NFTs. This is accomplished through dynamic reward mechanisms, which take several factors into account to determine profitability. There's yields and dividends, and they're based on adoption and demand. Exver NFTs will be usable in play-to-earn gaming format, where NFTs can be made more rewarding by feeding the Exver with the native Exver tokens, but also by rewarding the liquidity pool, the LP. In this manner, investors receive new rewards simply holding their NFTs. When feeding the native tokens or LP, 25% of them will get burned, giving Exver deflationary characteristics. The other 75% of the tokens or LP tokens are being fed to the NFTs, and that will be allocated to the reward pool. So it's like a recycling mechanism. So let's skip down to the roadmap here. They go over this whole thing for a long time here, kind of repeating themselves a lot too, so we don't need to go through all that. Goes through the gameplay, basically. You're in space, Mars, Venus, whatever. The year is 2257. Solar system has war and chaos. So yeah, basically there's rewards, it says. And it looks like there might be taxes. So it looks like 3% it says liquidity, auto liquidity, 3% allocated to marketing and development, 3% added to manual buybacks, and then 1% allocated to the team. So it looks like there is taxes on here. And then 1% rewards, it says. Passive income rewards. That looks like a total of 11% taxes. So if this does get listed on PancakeSwap, you might have to set slippage somewhere around 11%. Yeah, token allocation. Tokens split up between team and advisors, marketing platform, system, events and rewards, and reserve. And the roadmap's pretty short, actually. It just says gets listed on a global exchange, and that's going to be Hotbit, of course. Then they're going to have their own wallet and beta open official launch of their space exploration game. Then they're going to have an ecosystem activation event and update the white paper and then listing on another exchange. And then I'm sure they'll do more in the future. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Exver token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.